Hello. If you are an engineer seeking an overseas employment in the field of hydraulics or a customer having a fleet of hydraulic equipments and want to reduce on the maintenance cost, we invite you to take courses from PHE Institute of Hydraulics based in Faridabad. PHE Institute of Hydraulics was founded by Mr. Pankaj Srivastava in the year 2010 in Faridabad. Mr. Pankaj Srivastava is an expert in the field of hydraulics, having an experience of 32 years in the industry, and is dedicated to provide expertise training in the field of hydraulics to engineers and make them employment ready. If you wish to acquire expertise in the field of hydraulics, leave your contact number and mail ID in the comment section. You can also contact us at 931-046-0069 or write to us at crm.services@phe-india.co.in.